Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. P, your librarian, and I'm reading you a story. This is your first science storybook, Bird Builds a Nest by Martin Jenkins, illustrated by Richard Jones. And so, oh look, you can kind of see me in there. Let's see what happens. We're just opening the cover of the book. Bird Builds a Nest. This is our title page, so it looks just like the cover and has the same information. It's a beautiful day. Bird is up early. She's got a lot to do. First, she needs some breakfast. What she wants, let's see what she wants. What she wants is a nice, juicy worm, because birds like worms. Oh, look how long that is. It goes way over there to the underneath. Bird pulls hard, but the worm pulls back. It's a big worm and it's strong. Too strong for Bird. This one's better. It's smaller and not as strong. Delicious. This page just has pictures on it. Now Bird can get on with her work. She's not looking for worms now. Now she needs twigs. Lots and lots of twigs. Well, this one is too heavy. And so is this one. It's kind of a long branch, huh? All of these will do fine. Bird can carry one large twig or two medium-sized twigs. Or 3 or 4 small twigs, although it's hard to fit that many in her beak at one time. She's building her nest. It's not quite finished, though. Carefully, she pushes a twig into the side of the nest and pulls the end back out. This bird knows how to weave. Pushing and pulling, she gets all the twigs in place. She works for hours, fetching and carrying, flying back and forth, pushing and pulling. What do you think she's doing? I think I have an idea, but I'm not going to tell you. It's a secret till we get to the end. Sometimes she drops a twig, but it doesn't matter. She's looking for softer things now. Dried grass and feathers. They're very light. She can carry lots of these at once. Turning around and around, pushing. Oh, wait. She tucks them into place. I almost missed that part. She tucks them into place, turning around and around, pushing with her whole body. She makes a snug little cup, smooth and soft on the inside. The nest is ready and waiting. Can you guess what it's waiting for? What do you think? Does anyone think that maybe there's going to be an egg to hatch? Yeah? Eggs 5 of them, speckled and beautiful and getting ready to hatch. Isn't that funny? She just got it done and now she's got 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up in a tree. Is that it? Wait a minute. Okay. Thinking about pushing and pulling. When you try to move something away from you, it's called pushing. Can you find some places in this book where the bird pushes something? And when you try to move something toward you, it's called pulling. Can you find some places in the book where the bird's pulling something? Heavy things are hard for the bird to move. Can you name 3 things that are heavy for you to move? Light things are easy for bird to move. Can you name 3 things that are light enough for you to move? What happens when the bird drops a twig? Try dropping a small object like a pencil. A force called gravity pulls it towards the ground. And so, anyway, look. The bird made the nest, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little birds. And the mommy bird. The end. Goodbye, boys and girls. Thank you for reading The Bird Builds a Nest with me.